Hello students, welcome to you in this video. Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. My name is Master Kamini. Today I am taking to class 3 and my subject name is Social Study. Unit number 2, Our Earth. Today I cover topic that introduction of map, continent and ocean. Word meaning, important points. This is your textbook book page and I have to share these in slide and explain too. So dear students, you have to must pay attention in this video. Okay, so let's start. Here in previous video, in previous lecture, we have to discuss about our earth, that our earth shape, that I have to given one activity that our earth shapes square, circle, triangle and rectangle. Their answer are given that our earth is round and earth is round and we have to model of the earth, that is globe. In previous chapter, previous video, we have to discuss about earth and globe. Now we have to, at that time we have to said you that to see the all details of the all the places huge globes would be required. Such globes would be very expensive and difficult to carry. Hence, maps are used to show small details. Small details we can use map. So today we have to start our lessons, second part of the lessons, that map. First, I read the lesson paragraph 2 times and then explain you. So listen carefully. A map is a drawing of a place on a flat surface. It can show the whole earth or parts of it at one go. Maps can be big or small. Maps can be big or small. At times, maps are more useful than globes. Wall maps are the big maps. We can hang them on walls so that everybody can see them clearly. An atlas is a collection of different types of maps in the form of a book. Here, maps and atlas are given there. Map, wall map and atlas. There is three kinds of map. Here first, the definition of map is that map is a drawing of a place on a flat surface. मीन्स कोरा कागज पे जो मैप ड्रॉ किया होता है उसकी बात की है. तो वी हैव टू क्लियरली सीन ऑल डिटेल एट अ वन गो. एक तरफ से आप देख सकते हो. while you have to use the globe to show the whole earth, you have to rotate the globe and then you can see. For example, giving in front side you have to see India or other country, but you can't see the back side, so you have to rotate the globe. But while in a map there is no rotation. Map you can see the all detail at a one go. Maps can be big or small. Maps big भी हो सकते हैं, small भी हो सकते हैं. Same way, at times maps are more useful than globes because globes are huge and can't carry for here and there. It's too much difficult for all. Suppose I ask for student that you have to carry the globe at home. Then how could they? Nothing, because too much globes is too much big. The students can't carry here and there and wondering. So maps is more useful than globes. Wall maps are the big maps. Teachers use always wall maps because wall maps are once the teacher hang in the class and all students one by one they call the student with them and show the details of the maps with the scale or pencil, and they have to aware about all country and all places, all continents and all details the students can seen clearly with their eyes, and at a one go we can hang them on walls so that everybody can see them clearly. And atlas is a collection of a different types of maps in the form of a book. Suppose in a school the students use atlas. Why? There are different types of maps in the form of a बुक में आते हैं वो सारे एटलास के बुक आते हैं, उसमें मैप्स के कलेक्शन होते हैं. ऑन देर आर एम्प्टी मैप्स, वी हैव टू पुट इंफॉर्मेशन देयर इन वाइल इन अ they use in a school. Here one quick revision answer is given that multiple choice question MCQ of blanks can show the whole earth at one go. Answer is the blank can show the whole earth at one go. The answer is map. Map can show the whole earth at one go. Globe is no, because while you rotate the globe then you can see the other parts of the country or of the place on the globe. And chart, no. Here answer is map. A map can show the whole earth at one go. Now we have to discuss about continents. See, later on I will discuss about continents. Here I will give you the maps of some, like for example, like here maps are given here that one map of India, China, here different kinds of country given, and you can see the clearly very beautiful and attractive maps here, decorative. See in the picture, see in the mobile. Next map, see here the real map, you look like that, the Indian map here given, and you look that how they decorative each country, each part, and here the some details are also given. See small details are given there. You can't see properly, but you have just see that how the instruction and details are given then, and you have to identify that in map. Okay, so map easy and very easy to carry one place to another place, and you have to suppose you have to big map or wall map that you have to hang in the class or a wall, and one by one students there come near, and you have to show the all details from each student easily. Here given the maps example. See second map, third map. Here the empty map are given and information are given that red color, yellow color, sky blue color, green color, and border color, red border, blue border. That is some details are given that this part is convey, this part is here, and this part is there. That airlines, maybe railway stations, maybe this country, the bay or seas, rivers, oceans. These information are given in the small corner of the map, and you have to put all information in the map and color in it. Okay dear students, one homework is there. You have to stick empty map in your notebook. एक खाली मैप आपको स्टिक करना है, बाजार में मिलता है. सेम वे यू हैव टू बाय फ्रॉम द मार्केट एंड यू हैव टू स्टिक देयर, एंड no information you have to fill up, because you have to just stick the example of map. Okay, suppose you know or you have the very good from art of drawing, that you have to also draw a map in your notebook. Okay, now we have to discuss about continents. Continents means look at the different colored area in the given map. Here your textbook में जो मैप दिया है उसकी बात कर रहे हो. Look at the different colored areas in the given map. These are the land masses. Large land masses are called continents. Large land masses are called the continents. Continents क्या होते हैं? Large land masses होता है, उसको continents बोलते हैं. We have to live in continents, all country there. There are seven. See in the picture that how the continents are given there. Continents and oceans of the world. See in the picture. If you zoom the picture and you have to identify or name the all continents and oceans given here. Oceans be you can see clearly in this picture. Okay, dear students, later on when you have to see the video, you have to zoom the photo and identify the where the continents and oceans of the world are given in the picture. Suppose South Pacific Ocean, South America, South Atlantic Ocean, Africa, Asia, Australia, all the continents and oceans of the world are given in this map. This is your textual page. So some information or picture is not seen clearly, but you have to try it. Okay, next, see. There are seven continents. There are seven continents. That Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. There are seven continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Australia is the smallest and Asia is the largest continent. Australia is the smallest continent and it's a zoom it. Sorry. Australia is the smallest and Asia is the largest continents. Continents are further divided into smaller part. It's called country. Continents are further divided into smaller parts. It's called country. Our country India is a part of Asia. Our country India is a part of Asia. Here once again I have to repeat because it's slide up the next previous slide. So I have to repeat once again. There are seven continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Australia is the smallest and Asia is the largest continents. Continents are further divided into smaller parts called countries. Our country India is a part of Asia. We live in India and India is the part of Asia. Okay, dear students. Next, oceans. Oceans means big समुद्र होते हैं वो 7 समुंदर पार जो जाता है उसकी बात करते हैं. Same way here I have to explain you oceans. Look at the map of the world again. Previous I will see you the maps of the oceans and continents where there also you can see the North Atlantic Ocean, North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Oceans, North Pacific Ocean, all kinds of ocean, Arctic oceans, continents and oceans of the world are given that map. Here there show right now I will explain you. The blue color shows water. In a map, blue color shows water. The large water body that surrounded the continents are called oceans. The large water body that surrounded the continents are called oceans. Same way in globe, blue color shows water and also our earth contains water too much, so we can easily say that the earth is a blue planet. Same way in a map, blue color shows water. The large water bodies that surrounding the continents are called oceans. Smaller water bodies are called seas, rivers and लेक्स. मैंने पहले ही बताया बिग समुद्र होते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं ओशंस. एंड स्मॉलर वाटर बॉडीज मीन्स छोटी छोटी नदियाँ, सीज, rivers and lakes they are smaller water bodies. There are 5 oceans. There are 5 oceans, 7 continents and 5 oceans. The Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Oceans, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Southern Oceans, and the Arctic Oceans. Okay, there are five oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest water body on the earth. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest water body on the earth. The Arctic Ocean is the smaller ocean in the world. In continents, Australia is the smallest continents and Asia is the largest continents, and here the Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest water body on the earth. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. So here I can explain you the oceans, water body, large water bodies that surround it. The continents are called oceans. Smaller water bodies are called seas. Rivers and lakes. See, smaller water bodies are called seas, rivers, and lakes. There are five oceans: the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Oceans, and Southern Oceans, and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest water body on the earth. The Arctic Ocean is the smaller ocean in the world. This is the one word answer, one word question answer. Also ask or MCQ, that is how many oceans, how many continents, and name the oceans, name the continents. Okay, dear students, now you have to homework that you have to write down one photocopy of map in your notebook, and otherwise stick the map. If you have map, then you have to stick the map in your notebook and you have to write down. There are 7 continents and continents name, that Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Once again, I slowly repeat that if the student listen carefully, they have to write down. If you forward the video, you previous or forward the video, you can see that page also, but you have to write down that time. So you have to write down here that there are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. Now, most important that Australia is the smallest continent and Asia is the largest continent. Continents are further divided into smaller parts. It's called countries. Our country India is a part of Asia. This paragraph also given in the mobile, but you have to write down this in your notebook. And map वाला paragraph जो 1 2 3 4 5 lines का है, वो 5 lines map you have to must write down in your notebook. This is the important information given on that paragraph: map, continents, and oceans. There are 5 oceans. Once again I repeat that there are 5 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Oceans, Antarctic Ocean, Southern Oceans, or Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest water body on the earth. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. This one you have to copy down in your notebook from the mobile. Next, I have to given you the new words and points to remember. Once again I repeat that new words and points to remember. Revolves. Revolves means goes in a circle around a central point. किसी चीज को सर्कल बना के we have to revolve around a central point. It's called revolves. And land masses. Land masses means large area of a land. Large area of a land. It's called land masses. It has 2 new words meaning that you have to copy down in your notebook. This is the sum up point or a conclusion points to remember that you have to write down in your notebook that the layer of air around the earth is called the Atmosphere. The layer of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. All living beings get food, water, and air from the earth. This one also I have to discuss in all the whole chapter, but once again I have to repeat that points to remember. You have to know or sum up the point aware about it. The layer of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. All living beings get food, water, and air from the earth. A globe is a round model of the earth. A globe is a round model of the earth. A map is a drawing of the earth or its parts on a flat surface. Today we have to discuss about map. So here given the map, a map is a drawing of the earth or its parts on a flat surface. The large land masses are known as the continents. The large land masses are known as the continents. There are 7 continents. You have to write down 7 continents name here. Here not given the name, but you have to read or learn that 7 continents name and write down 1 points add to you. Last point, the large water bodies that surround the continents are called oceans. The large water bodies that surround the continents are called oceans. There are 5 oceans. You have to must write down 5 oceans names also. Here we have to discuss whole chapter. First chapter, very first I will discuss you. I have to discuss about globe, then map, today continents and oceans, new words meaning and points to remember. I hope you understood whole chapter with the explanation. Next soon we'll be meet with textbook exercise, extra worksheet and explanation of the question answer. So all the best students, we will meet soon later.